How do I put a variable's value inside a string, interpolate it into the string? I would like to put an int into a string. This is what I am doing at the moment. I have to run the program for several different numbers, so I'd like to do a loop. But inserting the variable like this doesn't work. How do I insert a variable into a Python string? See also how can I concatenate str and int objects? If you tried using plus to concatenate a number with a string, or between strings, etc., and got an error message. If you are trying to assemble a URL with variable data, do not use ordinary string formatting, because it is error-prone and more difficult than necessary. Specialized tools are available. See addparams to given URL in Python. If you are trying to assemble a SQL query, do not use ordinary string formatting, because it is a major security risk. This is the cause of SQL injection, which costs real companies huge amounts of money every year. See for example Python, best practice and securest way to connect to MySQL and execute queries for proper techniques.
Using f-strings. This was added in 3.6 and is the new preferred way. Using str.format. String concatenation. Conversion specifier. Using local variable names, neat trick. Using string.template. See also, fancier output formatting, the Python tutorial, Python 3's f-strings, an improved string formatting syntax, guide, Real Python.
With the introduction of formatted string literals, vef-strings for short, in Python 3.6, it is now possible to write this with a briefer syntax. With the example given in the question, it would look like this.
The percent operator, when following a string, allows you to insert values into that string via format codes, the %d in this case. For more details, see the Python documentation. Printf-style string formatting.
You can use plus as the normal string concatenation function as well as str.
In general, you can create strings using
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.